Moving to the United States means drowning in immigration paperwork. But once the visas are stamped and you are finally unpacking boxes, a completely different bureaucracy is already waiting for you: the Internal Revenue Service. The rules that dictate your legal right to live here have almost nothing to do with the rules that dictate how you are taxed here. If you meet what the IRS calls the substantial presence test, or if you pass the green card test, you are suddenly treated as a U.S. resident for tax purposes. That means the federal government expects to tax you on your worldwide income, exactly like a U.S. citizen. Many newcomers assume they don't need to think about any of this until the famous filing deadline on April 15th. Waiting until spring to figure out your obligations is a guaranteed way to get hit with massive surprise bills and compounding penalties. The American tax system is actually a continuous pay-as-you-go machine. The government expects its share of your income as you earn it throughout the year, not as a single lump sum at the end. By stopping the panic over a looming spring deadline and walking through a simple 4-step orientation workflow, you take predictable control of your obligations. Step 1 is building your income map. You take that total income map. The golden rule from the IRS is simple: almost all money that comes in is taxable, unless a specific law exempts it. This diagram maps out a typical gross income flow, going far beyond the standard W-2 paycheck. If you make cash delivering groceries on an app, that gets added. Certain unemployment benefits, bank interest, or taxable scholarships, all combine to calculate your true gross income. Next, step 2 is the must-file decision. You take that total income map and check it against official IRS income thresholds to see if you are legally required to file a tax return. For the 2025 tax year, a single person under 65 generally has to file once their income crosses $15,750. For a married couple filing jointly, that number jumps to $31,500. But there is a hidden trap here for gig workers. If you are self-employed, the threshold plummets. You generally must file if your net earnings cross just $400. Accurately mapping out every single income stream prevents a very common, very costly mistake: assuming a part-time job automatically excuses you from filing a return. Step 3 is choosing your payment pathway. Once your income triggers a filing obligation, the system demands that you pay your taxes gradually throughout the year to avoid underpayment. For standard employees, this happens through a Form W-4. You fill this out so your employer knows exactly how much tax to automatically withhold from every single paycheck. For freelancers and independent contractors, no one is withholding that money for you. You act as your own employer, manually calculating and sending estimated tax payments to the IRS 4 times a year. If you hold non-resident status for U.S. tax purposes, you cannot use the standard IRS withholding estimators. You have to follow a specific set of alternative rules laid out in IRS Notice 1392. Step 4 is navigating the support infrastructure. Tax support in the U.S. is a highly structured official infrastructure, available to anyone who knows where to look. There are reliable, completely free starting points. You have IRS free file programs, the Taxpayer Advocate Service for unresolved problems, and VITA programs specifically designed for individuals making $69,000 or less, as well as those who need language support. Setting up the correct payment path early and knowing exactly where to find free official help protects you from compounding IRS penalties and predatory high-fee tax preparation services. Understanding these mechanics transforms the U.S. tax system into a mapped-out, manageable process that runs in the background of your daily life. The rhythm is straightforward. Identify every dollar of income, check your specific filing threshold, configure your pay-as-you-go withholding, and never hesitate to use official help channels when you need them. Getting this orientation right before tax season even begins is the key to preventing small administrative errors from snowballing into serious legal problems. Mastering these foundational steps ensures you remain in good standing with federal authorities, providing a clear path to administrative confidence in your new home. To learn how to execute this process, enroll in the New Resident Mini Course, U.S. Taxes, available for free on The Great Discovery.